On today's menu, a recipe so delicious and so incredibly easy, you'll feel like your kitchen skills are on fire. Roasted red salsa. Lei Homa, I'm Wil Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This recipe is so delicious, so easy, you'll never buy another jar of salsa again. Roughly chop half a red onion and place it on a baking sheet. Three pieces garlic. For this salsa, I'm using 2 green and 3 red jalapeno peppers. Remove or keep the seeds depending on how spicy you'd like your salsa. Place the peppers on the baking sheet. 3 Roma tomatoes. Place in the oven and broil on low until the veggies start to blacken. Flip the veggies around and broil on low again until the other sides are blackened. That amazing char is just going to add an incredible flavor. Blender. Peppers. Garlic and onion. Tomatoes. Generous pinch of salt. About a packed quarter cup of cilantro. Drizzle of olive oil. Pulse and blend the salsa on medium. Plate. Garnish with a little more cilantro. You can now make this incredible salsa with absolute confidence. Reheat the oven to 375. Slice in half 12 jalapeno peppers. Deseed the peppers to lower the heat and to create some room for the filling. Large mixing bowl. A drizzle of olive oil. Pinch of pink salt. Toss. Line your peppers onto a baking tray. Blender. 1 cup cashews. Quarter cup water. Half teaspoon pink salt. Half tablespoon onion powder. Half tablespoon garlic powder. 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast. A splash of fresh lime juice. Drizzle of olive oil. Blend on high until emulsified. If you don't have a high power blender, you can soak the cashews overnight. Use the tamper if needed. Now we're looking for this really thick sort of cream cheese texture. Fill the poppers with the cashew mixture. Sprinkle over some Japanese breadcrumbs, also known as panko. Finish with a dash of smoked paprika. Into the oven for 25 minutes, then broil on low for 1 to 2 minutes. Plate. You can now make these delicious poppers with absolute confidence. Medium heat. Spread a thin layer of oil using a paper towel. When the pan is really nice and hot, place in your tortilla. Let them cook for about 45 seconds to a minute on each side. Be sure to have the fan on or a window open as it can get smoky. Repeat the same process for the rest of your tortilla. Cover the tortilla with a cloth to prevent them from drying out. Squeeze out the excess liquid from the jackfruit and flake them into a bowl. Sauté pan. Medium heat. Olive oil. Jackfruit. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Half cup your favorite barbecue sauce. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Seriously, does not get any easier than that. Plate. Purple cabbage. Brussels sprouts. Assemble. Fresh pineapple. fresh chopped cilantro. This is a delicious hot sauce I made in the previous episode. Just a little bit goes a long way. You can now make these delicious jackfruit tacos with absolute confidence. 4 to 5 cups of tortilla chips on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Half a cup worth chopped red bell pepper. Half cup worth chopped green bell pepper. Thinly sliced green chili pepper. Half a red onion, thinly sliced. Half cup olives. I think nachos should have just tons of color. It should just look like a party. 2 tablespoons capers. 1 tomato, diced. Half cup black beans. Blender. Half cup cashews. Half cup water. Pinch of pink salt. This is an incredible hot sauce I made in the previous episode. Now this hot sauce has these incredible chipotle peppers, and this is what gives it that incredible smoky flavor. It smells like a barbecue in a pepper. If you can get your hands on these, I highly recommend it. 2 tablespoons homemade hot sauce. 1 tablespoon smoked paprika. Blend on high until liquefied. If you don't have a high-powered blender, soak the cashews overnight or boil them in hot water. Set aside the chipotle sauce. It's not really necessary to rinse that blender out, just gotta use it. Half cup cashews, half cup water, 1.5 tablespoons nutritional yeast, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon onion powder, pinch of pink salt, pepper, drizzle of olive oil. Blend on high until liquefied. Cheese sauce, chipotle sauce, fresh cilantro, broil on low for 2 to 3 minutes. Beautiful. I'm just looking for that amazing char on those chips. You can now have this nacho party with absolute confidence. These are definitely not your average nachos. Makes all the difference to have that beautiful char on those chips. And you get that incredible flavor from the 2 different sauces. It's just smoky, it's salty, slightly spicy, and you get a little bit of that tang from those amazing capers. Just so delicious. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.